Let's quickly go over how to add emojis on Slack. Perfect for reactions, messages, and more. First, open Slack on desktop or mobile and head to any channel or direct message. To add a regular emoji to a message, just click on the smiley face icon in the message bar. Browse or search for the emoji you want, then click to insert it. For reactions, hover over a message, click the smiley with plus icon, and select or search for your emoji. Want to add a custom emoji? On desktop, click your workspace name at the top left, then select Settings and Administration, and then select Customize. Under the Emojis tab, click Add Custom Emoji. Upload your image, name your emoji, and click Save. Now your new emoji is ready for everyone in the workspace. On mobile, custom emoji can't be uploaded yet, but you can use all existing ones in your messages and reactions. And that's it. Now you know how to use and customize emojis like a pro on Slack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.